Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing this. It's the Racing Pit Team in 1/20th scale Grand Prix collection from Tamiya. Now this is a pretty old boxing of it here, as you can tell, because we've actually got some cigarette sponsorship on this one. This kit was designed to depict cars from the late 70s to sort of mid 80s. You can see some of the figures you've got in here. Timekeeper, Team Manager. He looks a little bit like Colin Chapman here, although this is Ferrari. Wheel changing mechanic, engine tuning, pit signalling, driver. This is supposed to be Gilles Villeneuve. Got Villeneuve, Peroni here, who were Ferrari teammates in the early 80s. Photographer, mechanic, jacking car. This is 8 figures. We've got 8 here on the front with abundant accessory parts, ready to assemble, precision modelling kit. On the side, it gives you some of the other things. So look, Alan Jones, Jody Scheckter, Jacques Lafitte, Patrick Depailler, some other things here as well. These weren't included in the kit, but I've since learned that Tamiya did sell additional decals for this set, with 80s decals for teams like Williams and Lotus. Toolkits, that's quite cool. Another picture here on the side, and look, some of the sponsor decals which are available in this kit. And then on the other side you can see that when this was sold new it was $6.99. I bought this on eBay. Let's have a look inside. So we've got some decals, we've got some instructions. We've got 1, 2 white sprues there, there's some wires and another couple of sprues there. So firstly, let's have a look at the instructions. So you can see that it is depicting Team Lotus there. So there's some depiction here about the reason that you might want to create this. You can pause that if you want to read it. There's some tips here about painting, which is particularly useful for anyone who is new to painting figures. I've done a little bit, not so much painting of faces, but and then we've also got some application of decals here. So you can see here you've got JPS Team Lotus, Mario Andretti, and Nilsson. These drivers were only teammates at Lotus in 1977. There you are, you've got Andretti's helmet there and Gunnar Nilsson's helmet there. Then you've got Ferrari, Carlos Reutemann and Gilles Villeneuve. Villeneuve and Reutemann were at Ferrari in 1978. And then Brabham, Niki Lauda and John Watson. Watson and Lauda were only teammates at Brabham in 78. Also you can see you've got things like John Player decals on here, Marlboro decals, more Marlboro decals on the Brabham uniforms, so you can see that that's wouldn't be on recent kits. So here you've got the toolbox, portable battery, oil, things like that, other tools, and then you've got the figures. So driver, timekeeper, manager, mechanic, more mechanics, and then you've got one particular way of it being depicted. So that's working on the Brabham Alfa Romeo car there. So let's have a look at the parts. So firstly we've got the tools in here. These still look pretty well moulded. This box here has fallen off. You can see some of the nice detail on there. Got fire extinguisher. These are wheel guns. Kind of, tanks. This is the jack for lifting up the car. Got more tools. Tanks, supports, things like that. Sort of gas pressure thing, and radio headsets there. And then also in that one you've got these barricades, so you could create a sort of diorama. So yeah, that's cool. So in this set here you've got loads of body parts to create various different mechanics. I think those flared trousers at the bottom definitely puts this in the sort of 70s. You got other things here, like I think that might be a clipboard or something. I'm not sure what that is supposed to be. But yeah, sort of hats and things, so they can be, you know, painted separately and assembled. And then in this bag, not only we've got the sprue, we've also got some yellow and black wire, and that can be kind of changed shape depending on what you're using it for. Then we've got 4 figures in here. Also got 2 different styles of helmets. And you've got things like some sort of machines, boxes, things like that. Not quite sure what they're all supposed to be. But yeah, there we are. Sort of, this is made in Japan. I can't see a year of manufacturing, but yeah. Finally, we've got the decals. You can see on there, these were printed in 1987. So yeah, we've got the JPS Team Lotus ones. Then we've got the Ferrari ones here in the middle. Parmalat Brabham. And then generic ones over here. I don't know whether these would work anymore. They look a little bit yellow in places, but yeah, obviously I don't know yet what kit I'm going to use these with. I've been thinking about one of the 80s F1 kits that I've got, but yeah, not quite decided. Let me know if you've built this, how you got on, what kit it went with. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you soon.